Hello, I'm Kerry Buckmaster, and I'm going to be hosting 2 days on conflict resilience through nonviolent communication. And I'm going to be hosting that with Lottie and Charlie in Dorking, Surrey. What we're going to be looking at is how, when there is conflict, tension, or disharmony, it's a sign that something needs to change in a relationship, that something needs to be said or something needs to be heard, that feedback needs to be given. And we're going to be looking at ways that nonviolent communication can help us ground and help us listen to what's needing to be said. We're going to look at simple agreements, responses, and structures that you can utilize in your groups and families to help you address and move towards conflict in a way that doesn't freak you out or feel too insurmountable. We're going to be focusing on the really doable steps. We'll also look at why it is so scary to move towards conflict, so we have a really grounded and real approach, really acknowledging all the reasons that we don't. So would love to see you there if you want to come to Dorking, Surrey on the 11th and the 18th of July, 10:30 to 2:30. Have a look at the link below for booking information. Bye for now.